Hello everyone, this is Jazz again on my second prank. Here are with me my friend Maninder and Harki. So we are going to do a prank on Simmer today, and here we are at my gas station to shop around something. For that, let us see. It's raining. Prince George is raining finally after snow. Say hi to my camera, German. How are you?
ठीक है bro.
Not ठीक है, bro.
I'm good.
Yeah. So we are here to shop around. Let us see what I'm going to buy today. I guess we need one of these and one Pepsi. Decent Pepsi.
Yeah.
I'll take the camera.
Pepsi and Diet Pepsi. And then bucket of ice. It's cold. Northern Canada, it is cold. Already cold. Buddy, give me the keys.
करना देखनी नहीं चाहिए थी
Yeah.
मेरे को पता लगेगा कि रिपोर्ट चल रही है वो भी है बंदा सो भी है ना बंदा मेरे तो नहीं भी होना
Where's my bucket? My third item. I wonder why are you quiet? What? I'm paying for that.
बैग चाहिए बैग चाहिए
No, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I'm buying this for you.
आज कितना प्रैंक करना
Alright. Okay.
ओके
See you in some seconds.
See ya.
Okay, it's done. I'm recording money. Simmer, here I come for you. We are back. So Simmer, small gift for you for your drinking thing. You should improve your drinking skill, I guess. You should learn something from Maninder actually. I hope I don't mess up in my new car.
I can see.
You can.
Oh, okay.
There it is. Earlier we tried to attempt this prank on Varun, but it failed because few of my friends were like, they don't have guts or nuts to do this thing. But yeah, they were pussy actually. Now I have got the best friend, my two of the best friend in Canada, Harkamal and Maninder. We are together since college. See, I'm messing.
Yeah, Simmer will hate us.
I know he's going to hate us, but ultimately he needs some fame, so we are giving him fame today by putting in my blog. Do I look good in pranks? Okay, that's done. Now, Canada's most favorite thing, ice. We get lots of ice. And I guess I'm getting call from Simmer itself. Okay, I'm going to answer this call now. Hello?
Transfer.
Hello? Hello? बस आउंड तू किथे रेडी है?
मैं घरे बैठा यार कदा
ਹਾਂ ਬਸ ਮੈਂ ਯਾਰ ਆਇਆ ਬਸ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਜੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਹਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਾਹ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਆਈ ਫਿਰ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਵੇ ਓਕੇ there is only one problem I have to break some of this ice by going out can you unlock the doors Okay, so we are man. Okay, so now as we planned, I will call him.
No, let me park first, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Wow, that was a loud noise. Turn off my lights actually.
Okay, so do one thing. You guys go out and just wait for me, okay? You hold the camera. Okay. And I'll park the car just there. Okay.
So here we are
Heading to his home.
and I am right now at somebody else. Oh no! I don't know. Let us see him. Are you safe? Are you safe? Are you safe? Let me see you. Yeah. This was my second attempt. This was my second. Seriously.
And it failed.
Yeah, I failed again. But that's how it is. So sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't go well. I don't know. Okay. So Simmer, thanks. But you got saved. But not next time.
हाँ की गल होगी तुम करा लंदा
प्लान तो फ्लॉप करा था
Okay, so I tried to pull a prank on Simmer. I again failed, you guys. I know that, but still it went little well. And this is the guy who failed me again. This is second time. This is second time he failed me, but still we are going to do something else on him on some other time. That's okay. And I would like to thank my friend Maninder, who is always there to support me in my every pranks and stuff like that. And I would like to thank my cameraman, who is always there with me, Hark Kamal. He is always there for me, so thank you. And as my mentor says, Roman Atwood, keep smiling, love you all. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.